What up, guys? We're back again with another video. Might do some of the stuff on the RSX. Been a while since I've done anything to that car. So yeah, I'm move the Type R so I could put the RSX where the Type R was at, so I could get space to do things before it starts raining or something. Somewhat, I don't know. I checked the weather, it says it's not gonna rain till tonight, like 11 o'clock, so let's see what we do. Alright, gotta fast forward because I want to get it done. With the cars and jacks, as you can tell, you probably know what we're going to do, so I'll show you in a bit. So if you guessed it right, we're going to be doing the rear control arms and the subframe brace. There's let me fix it. There's the part number. Yeah, it says 2001 to 2005 SI, but it's the same thing as the RSX. Once you go look it up, it's gonna say the same exact thing. So here it is. Comes with hardware. I went on red to go a different route. I could have went aluminum, but that's what we got this for. So, these are no longer made, these are discontinued. The only thing you could get is the bushings, but the arms are long discontinued. So what was that one? Black art. These are long discontinued guys. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna set you guys up so you can see how to install it. Pretty simple install. There is a tool that you guys need, which I gotta go get it. So alright. So guys, you guys gonna need this. This is to remove the control arm bolts, which are the 3 bolts that go right here, that are down here. If you can see it. And then right there. You need that because without that, you can't take the control arms out. You need this tool, and this is a special socket. You can see it right there. 2001 plus acura RSX. You can get this on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below, and that way you guys can get it. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the wheels. Guys, so everybody's out. All you have to do is just take these two and I'll hang. And I'm actually taking these out because I'll be painting these because these are rusty. I had a problem with taking one of these out. Focus. One of these out because it was rusted. I don't know where it went. Anyways, what I did was use a 7/16 instead of a 12 and hammered it in with a hammer to take it out. I'm gonna go ahead clean up these things before I use the new hardware. At least good that the subframe brace brings new hardware. I don't have to use those rusted bolts. So what I'll be doing is I'll be hitting it with the hammer to break all this rust out. Another thing, you can use a wire brush. So you can see all the rust is broken down. I will do the same thing with the other one, but I'm not gonna show you guys because I don't want this video to be long. So yeah, this is the second one.